So I'm going to show you how to create a drag and drop. So first thing I want to do is I want to go to File, and I want to change the layout on my page setup to custom. So this way, if later on you want to make it a cut and paste activity, this is already the size of a piece of paper, so you can make it cut and paste. So once I change it, I'm going to change the layout to blank. Okay, and so then I'm going to add whatever background I want to add. I'm just going to keep it simple for this. So I'm going to say I'm going to do this one. Okay, and I might want it to take up this much space, or you could do it this way. It's up to you. So you can pick your color and everything. Okay, so then what you do is you can add your shapes in. So if I want some information from them, I'm going to add my shape. I like to make it transparent and then just make this a little thicker. And then I'm going to Control C, Control V to add another one. Okay, so here I'm going to add some text. So what I want is I'm going to put the graph here. And then fix your font. I like to have it centered. Okay. Then I want this same font for all the rest. So I'm going to copy it, paste it by Control C, Control V, and I'm going to move it over here. And so once I do graph, I'm going to do domain. Then one more time, I want them to give me the range. So I'm going to put range here. Okay, so how do I make it so that they can drag and drop things up here, but they're not going to rearrange what I've made? So what I can do, I'm going to copy these. I'm going to paste these down here by Control C, Control V. You can paste as many as you want. So I am going to copy this. So I'm going to click and drag, and it gives me a blue square. So I'm going to copy these. I'm going to pick them up, move them over here. Okay, once I move them, then I want to take this and do the exact same thing. I want to drag again. And I'm going to go to File, Download, and you can make it any of them. I like it to make it a PNG. So I'm going to insert a new slide. So then I'm going to make this blank. Okay, and then what I just downloaded, I'm going to insert as a background. So background, choose image. I'm going to pick the one that I just downloaded. And then you can click add to theme if you're going to make them all the same. Okay, so I want to go back up here, and what I had over here, these answer choices, I want to copy them again. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to drag over them, right click. Drag over them, Control C. I'm going to come onto this slide, put Control V, and drag them over. So now what happens is they cannot move domain and range. They can't move this, but they can move these blocks with the answers. So now how do you insert the text so they can do it? So to insert the text, if you just click on it, it will let you automatically type in these shapes. You don't have to enter a text box. You can just type in the shapes, and you can make it bigger. And then I like to center it. Okay, and so now once you insert the graph that you want to use, you can just have them, they can drag and drop these into place. So that's how you make a drag and drop really easily in Google Slides. And again, if you wanted to be able to use this when you return to the classroom, if you change that setting to 8.5 by 11, then they'll just be able to cut out these bottom options and glue them.